I want to talk about my Mayfair Lannon toilet seat. This is a new purchase for me. The bathroom in my kids' room, the toilet seat was, let's just say it's seen some miles. It needed to be replaced. So I picked this up. First thing you do, you peel back the caps, just like that. And next you're going to have to put the bolts in. You put them in on each side. And after the bolts are set, you'll just hand fit them right into the holes on the toilet. And while you're doing that, you kind of want to adjust to make sure it's sitting on the toilet exactly how you want it. There'll be a little bit of play that you'll have with the seat. You can move it back and forth a little bit. After that, you'll take the nuts and you will feed them up from underneath, and you'll hand tighten them on those bolts on both sides. It's a little bit awkward just fitting back there, but once you get it in, they screw on pretty easily. And you just want to hand tighten them here. And after you get that, I'm using a socket, and you keep tightening them until you snap the top off of the bolts. Right there, you can see them both fall off. After that, you close the tops, seal them, and you're good to go. And you can see right here the final product. It worked like a charm for me. If you need a new toilet seat, please click on the link in the description below.